On Wednesday night, a 45-year-old man was critically injured after being bitten by a snake while on his way to a Vishwakarma Puja invitation. The victim has been identified as Pradeep Das, a resident of Kalachari village. He is currently undergoing treatment and is stated to be in serious condition at the Bimal Sinha Memorial Hospital. According to available reports, the incident occurred around 9 p.m. Das was on foot heading to a familiar house hall in a nearby village to attend a feast held in celebration of Vishwakarma Puja. The part, described as heavily jungled and overgrown, is where the tragedy struck when a snake bit him. The bite caused immediate and excruciating pain, causing Das to collapse onto the road. Fortunately, he was not alone. A neighbor and friend who was accompanying him acted swiftly. The companion took Pradeep Das to the Bimal Sinha Memorial Hospital for urgent medical attention. Das remains under close medical supervision at the hospital. Local authorities have been informed of the incident.
Pradeep Das.
तेरे नाम?
Pradeep Das.
अच्छा बाशा कौन खाने?
मने मुंडा.
अच्छा की से कौन तो?
इनो दादा शापे काम मरते हैं ना. शापे काम मरते हैं.
शापे काम मरते से. कौन जगह थे?
उस्मान में कैसी पुजाते हैं? पुजात कैसा मरती?
अच्छा.
नहीं मतलब कहता. रात्र अंधकार আসলো রাস্তার মাঝে ঘুরতেছে আর কি আর একটা কাম মাঝে কোন সময়
Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chinikhora.